Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a custom job that a food processing plant has commissioned us to do, and we've engineered it. And what they have is two different floors. One floor, the upper floor contains the fill hopper, and the second floor contains where they combine the mixes, and the whole process takes a certain amount of time. So what we have is two separate displays. They're a system. One is a master, one is a secondary, and the master is on the upper floor along with the controls to set the countdown time, and it's in a NEMA-4X box. And you have start stop with the green, 0 blue, last value blue, set hours, set minutes, and set seconds. And simply the person on the upper side who has the master will set the time, the whole process time, for when they pour the mix into the hopper down, and then it flows down to the lower floor, two separate floors, and everybody is staying on time. Now when the lower floor gets what they need done, the process that they need to do done, the timer will be done, and then they hit the reset, indicating that the process has been complete and they're done with what they need to do on the lower floor, and giving indication to the upper floor that they're done. So the communication is through the andon lights, and they will give you different colors. There are 3 different color andon lights: red, yellow, and green. And right now we're showing green because it's in the process, and we just ran it through some paces here. So I'm going to go ahead and set it for a certain amount of time, and we can demonstrate how it all works. So I'm going to go ahead and hit we're reset, we're ready to go, we're red. The customer wanted red. So we'll go ahead, and I think their last value was 1 minute, and it is. So if I just pushed reset to the last value, and that was our 1 minute value. But we can set it for hours, we can set it for minutes, we can set it for seconds. 99 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. Right now we're just going to go ahead and set it for, we'll set it for just 1 minute again. So I hit that quickly, pulsed it quickly, and got it to 1 minute, stopped it, and we're ready to go for our process. So the upper floor is going to hit start. If they pause it, it's going to remain yellow. The light remains yellow. Start again, pouring in the mix. And the lower floor knows that the mix is coming because the timer has started. And when they get to the lower floor gets this thing done after 1 minute, they're going to hit the reset. Now all this is interconnected with the master. Has the controls with 25 feet of cable, as you see right here. Between the two we have 25 feet of cable, and that's connected through inside terminal blocks inside the NEMA-4X enclosures, and we have IDs inside the terminal blocks that indicate which wire goes where. It's a pretty simple setup. And then on the reset switch down at the bottom, it's another 25 feet of cable, and that's brought into the secondary unit. So the master communicates to the secondary data, and it's just 2 wires. And then we've reached the end of the timing run. So when the people down at the bottom get their procedure done, they're going to hit the big slap 60 millimeter reset switch, which is a normally open switch, and it gives indication to both floors that they're ready for the next pour. Again, these are NEMA-4X enclosures. They're water and dust resistant, dust proof, with cable glands for your cables. These are 10-foot, 120 3-prong outlet cords and they're oil and meant for NEMA environments, harsh environments. And both both your master and your secondary require 120. I'm going to go ahead and push last value. Ready for the next run, ready for the next pour. I'm going to go ahead and hit start, stop, as you see, pause, and then we're going again. So again, this is Jim and Ian with DC Digital demonstrating our dry mix hopper dry mix food processing countdown timers. These are DC-25s, 2.3-inch high digits, 4 digits, and a NEMA enclosure, and it's a wired system. It's a wired controls with a wired remote control. Thank you for watching.